So this is a presentation of my Corvette, because now I'm starting this overhauling series, a little bit more serious. So um, this is a 1969 Corvette C3, hardtop, manual gearbox, original side pipes. C3 1969 was the only year. This car is black and chrome. That is what I'm going for. I kept it old school. Everything I do, I keep it true to the old school, even if it's like modern parts. Everything's gonna look old school. So I hope my English gets better and better when I'm comfortable talking. So, but anyway, this is the engine. I'm working on the brakes now. Put on new booster and master. Overhauling my calipers. They're hanging there, new painted. I'm gonna do a work on them this evening. And the car has been in mine for a couple of years now. Last year I drove it, but the brakes were terrible, and yeah, small stuff. So then I decided to just put it away in my garage and wait till I get it finished off. The paint is very nice on it, but now it's very dirty. So I think you will like it when it's finished. So yeah, this is my project. So let's start having some fun with it.